Hi everyone, welcome to day 2, even though this page says day 3 of Informational Writing. Over the next few months, we are going to be writing informational reports. And I want to start our unit by reading an example of an informational report. So this is an informational report about Jamaica. Most of the time when people think about Jamaica, they think about a small country island that is part of the Caribbean Sea. The island of Jamaica is surrounded with beaches like Doctor's Cove, 7 Mile, and Calabash Bay. This Caribbean island is known for its crystal blue water and its soft, sandy beaches. However, there are a few things you may not have known about Jamaica. Weather. With an average yearly temperature of between 80 and 90 degrees, Jamaica doesn't have 4 defined seasons like most countries. In Jamaica, the wind from the sea cools the island during the day and night, giving it a tropical climate. Jamaica's summer months are only slightly warmer than its winter months. The natives of Jamaica will tell you that the winter months of November, December, January, February, March, and April are the best time to visit the island, though you may want to avoid Jamaica in the late summer because that is their hurricane season. Sports. Another thing you may not have known about Jamaica is that they are big on sports, mainly the sports of cricket and track and field. Cricket is similar to baseball because in this sport you use a bat and a ball. However, the rules are very different. Cricket was once the biggest pastime played in Jamaica. Later, sports like golf, football, also soccer actually, and basketball came around. Over the years, many Jamaican athletes have had much success in track and field. You may be surprised to hear that the fastest man in the world, Usain Bolt, calls Jamaica his home. Usain Bolt is a Jamaican sprinter known for his gold medals and breaking world records for the 100-meter and 200-meter distance races. Music. Last, Jamaica is the birthplace of a type of music called reggae. It was created by combining a few Jamaican music styles such as ska, mento, and calypso music. In the 1960s, they began calling this music reggae because of the ragged style of the dance music. One of the most popular reggae singers is Bob Marley. He is most known for songs like No Woman, No Cry and One Love. In honor of reggae music, Jamaica's Prime Minister has designated February official reggae month. Jamaica is known for more than its sandy beaches and its beautiful blue sea. With the reasons listed above, you can see that Jamaica has plenty more in store for the people who call it home, as well as the people who come to visit. So what is this informational paper all about? Yes, it's all about Jamaica. And it is different than personal narratives because it is full of facts and does not include personal information. It is simply facts about Jamaica. There are no use of I and me and my. It is all about Jamaica. So informational reports are non-fiction texts because they are a collection of true facts, and the author who writes an informational report or paper is an expert who is teaching the reader about their topic. So over the next few months, we're going to be learning about informational reports and researching and writing informational reports. So for today's assignment in Seesaw, you are going to be filling out this sheet. What is an informational report? So you are an expert sharing facts about a topic. So for example, you could be writing a report about dolphins. You could write a report about George Washington, or you could write a report about the rock cycle. Your job in Seesaw is to fill out the blank form with 3 examples of informational reports you could write about. So 3 different topics that you could research and provide facts about. If you have any questions, come see me in my office hours.